General Motors to join Formula One as a works team in 2026. General Motors, GM, has officially announced its entry into Formula One, marking a historic moment for the American automaker. The decision, revealed shortly after the Las Vegas Grand Prix, confirms that GM will join the grid as a works team in 2026 under the Cadillac brand. This achievement follows a high-profile but unsuccessful bid by Michael Andretti to bring a team to the prestigious motorsport. GM's announcement signals a significant shift in F1's competitive landscape and the sport's willingness to expand its exclusive roster. Overcoming challenges to join Formula One. Formula One, regarded as the pinnacle of motorsport, is notoriously exclusive. The current grid comprises just 10 teams, each fielding 2 cars. As F1 shares its profits with its teams, new entrants often face resistance from existing participants who are wary of dividing the revenue further. In 2023, Michael Andretti sought to establish an F1 team with GM as a partner, leveraging the Cadillac brand. While the FIA F1's governing body approved Andretti's bid based on technical merits, Formula One Management, FOM, ultimately rejected it. FOM doubted the team's ability to meet competitive standards within the proposed timeline, leading to widespread controversy and even a U.S. House Judiciary Committee investigation into F1's decision-making process. Despite this setback, GM persevered. The automaker's direct involvement as a works team, responsible for designing both its cars and engines, seems to have addressed FOM's concerns. While details are still emerging, it is confirmed that American racing legend Mario Andretti will serve as a director on the team's board, though Michael Andretti's role remains uncertain. Cadillac's entry and future plans. When GM joins the grid in 2026, its Cadillac-branded F1 car will initially use engines supplied by an established manufacturer. Mario Andretti has hinted at discussions with Ferrari for engine supply, though no formal agreement has been announced. GM plans to develop its own engine program, targeting a debut in 2028. This phased approach mirrors strategies used by other teams, such as McLaren and Aston Martin, which currently run engines supplied by Mercedes-Benz. Cadillac's entry will mark the second American-owned F1 team, joining Haas F1. However, GM's eventual engine development will distinguish it as the first American works team in F1 history, a team that constructs both its car and power unit in-house, akin to legendary teams like Scuderia Ferrari. The potential impact on Cadillac's road cars. F1's shift to hybrid powertrains in 2026, which will feature a 50-50th split between combustion engines and electric systems, presents exciting opportunities for technology transfer. GM's involvement in developing high-performance hybrid systems for F1 could have implications for Cadillac's future road cars. The brand's potential adoption of advanced hybrid technology might lead to more efficient, high-performance vehicles, reinforcing Cadillac's reputation as a luxury automaker with a competitive edge. A new chapter for American motorsports. The entry of General Motors into Formula One is a monumental step for both the automaker and American motorsport. As the sport continues to grow in the U.S., bolstered by events like the Las Vegas Grand Prix, GM's presence on the grid could further ignite American interest in F1. With a strategic plan in place and a commitment to innovation, GM's journey in Formula One promises to be one of the most compelling stories of the decade. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up and share. See you next.